Brennan here at Colton RV. Class C Motorhomes offer outdoor experiences for larger families, but at a lower price point than Class A's. Like this 2021 Coachmen CrossTrek 23XG. The size and capabilities give you nearly endless possibilities. Take your adventure where most motorhomes can't. Plenty of living space on the interior with unrivaled exterior storage. You can outfit your CrossTrek with the gear and equipment needed to conquer any expedition. This 2022 Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds 28Z is perfect for a vacation with the family or a weekend for two. The cab over bunk sleeping area, dream dinette with TV, and full bathroom provide plenty of room for the whole family. Easy to drive and easy to love, you'll want to spend all of your vacations in your 4 Winds. Bring the whole family along to pick out the perfect Class C for you at the free Buffalo Bills RV Show at Highmark Stadium from October 14th through the 17th.